Just warnings, letting you know, hey, this is serious. You're out here in the desert, like, you need to save yourself. Seriously. Common sense. Don't leave valuables in your car. Got some picnic tables over there. Okay, you know, let's go up here and then I'll work my way back down. I just want to show you guys, because I know they have a shuttle that runs from the town and comes up here. The town down below is Sedona, Arizona. What is this? Oh, that's cool. They got an air pump for your bike. Right on. That's cool. Okay. Alright, all my wonders. I'm Mike. You're watching the Wandering Sinner Saint. This is Redrock National Park here in Sedona, Arizona. Let's see. No e-bikes. Well, yeah, no kidding. Devil's Bridge, we'll go there. Leaving Dry Creek Vista Parking. Okay. And we got another trail over here, so they got a few trails here. Okay. What else here? What are they telling you here? Just basically saying, like, don't be a dumb, you know what? 1 gallon of water per person. Yeah. No camping, no fires. So you can't camp here, but I know in other trails you can do some camping, and I'm actually going to look into that. And I'm actually just going to stay somewhere where I can get a decent internet or Wi-Fi signal, because when I was out there in Mojave Desert out in Joshua Tree, California, not good Wi-Fi signal out there. So I just need to, that is beautiful. I just need to stay in a hotel for one night so I can just get a good Wi-Fi signal, upload some videos, and you know, to take a shower, so I don't have to do a Mojave Desert shower again, like I was showing you guys how to do. Look at this. Hear me? I'm lugging around some